God will help me because today is my birthday. I'm very happy and God will pray me. And they will pray my cake also. My cake Barbie. I like Barbie every day. I want to play Barbie. And I really love my cake. And my God save me every day. And my cake. It's my first day to do the scat. I have 10 years because today we have to come in this mountain car. And now we have to add them. We can say happy birthday because it's my birthday. I have 10 years. And today I come in here and to do this cake Barbie in pink color. And my dress is pink color, same to same.
You, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, your Leadyya. Happy birthday to you. Bless you. God bless you. May God bless you, Leadyya. Happy birthday to you. Way are lai sao san riu nhau pra kendai chipel ot 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 ot